Hello everyone. Today we're going to go over the WHERE clause. The WHERE clause allows you to filter records or rows to only the specific ones you want. So in our student table example, let's say someone asked you, please return all of the records with students in a chemistry class. Okay, no problem. With SQL, we can do this. So let's go to our SQL tab and we will delete this default statement that's always there. And we're going to start with the usual syntax like we always do. We're going to say select star, meaning all of the columns from the student table. But this time, we don't want all of the records. So we're going to put the where clause. So where, and we're going to grab the course equals the chemistry course. And because chemistry is a varchar, we're going to put it in quotes. So now if we run this by hitting go, you'll see we only have the 3 records where these students are in chemistry. Excellent. So you're not just limited to the equals. There are other operators you can use, such as the greater than, or there's another one, the not equals to. So let's go over some of these examples as well. Let's say you want to know all of the students who are not in a math class. No problem. We'll go to browse. And let's say we wanted all these students, but we wanted to eliminate all students who were in these math classes. So all we have to do is go to SQL. And again, we're just going to start with select all of the columns from the student table where the course column does not equal. And the not equal is indicated by a less than and then greater than sign. In some programming languages, it's exclamation mark and then equals. But this works for here. And we're going to say math. Right? It doesn't equal math. So let's hit go. So now we have all of the records where the course doesn't equal math. Right? And let's actually try, I'm not sure, sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't, depending on what you're using from student. And let's use the exclamation mark equals does not equal math. And let's see if we get the same results or not. Right, so in this case, it can't actually use the not equals. That's fine. That's when you can use the less than, greater than to indicate not equals. Okay, so let's say, for example, you want to find all of the students. Oh, sorry. Oh, gosh. I forgot to put where. Where course. Okay, let's try this again. Does not equal. And let's hit go. Okay, so it actually does work. So I guess you can use either or, at least with this, with PHPMyAdmin. All right, that's good to know. So let's go back to browse. Let's say we wanted to select all of the students where their ID was greater than 3. So in other words, students 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We can do that as well. So we'll just go back here and we'll backspace that and we'll say select all of the columns from student where now this time it's not the course column. We want to use the ID column where the ID is greater than 3. And because the primary key is an integer, not a varchar, we don't have to put this in quotes. And let's hit go. And there you have it. We have all of the records where the IDs are greater than 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. I think we're starting to get the hang of this. In the next video, we're going to go over the like clause. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're liking these videos, please subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one.